Wike is the only governor in Nigeria that employed 200,000 special advisors. You know, sir, special advisor, no. Now for WhatsApp group, now I see myself. Not only Wike go gather 200,000 special advisors, now he go they advise us. After the meeting, journalists go come, they ask us questions. Knowing fully well, say for the meeting, we know the hear what governor they talk. What we do the hear? We say yes, sir. Don't fly. Say yes, sir. We say yes, sir. Everything, yes, sir.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
This is why they call me big man on a no clap. Now I make I no like big men. No. Now so I go wedding, go follow big men sit down. Hoping say if they want share food, they go pay attention to that table. Hungry won't kill me. Ushers go ask one of them, what can we get for you? The man say, we are not hungry. And I was there. I don't know when I asked the man, who be we? You go speak for yourself, which one be? I've come to realize that some of us that are Christians, some of the prayers we pray is because of poverty. I'm not fear I've boarded a flight before and someone stood up and said, let's commit this journey into the hands of God. Then they pray. But if you enter bus, you go pray, you go sing, you go give offering, you go do altar call, you go hear the word. Some of those songs where they sing, no be your mind, your conscience they judge you. Now you go to tell yourself, this people they sing now, if I don't follow sing, if this motor get accident, I may go die. You come they sing song where you no plan. One time I was to go to Lagos from Port Harcourt to MC a wedding. I missed my flight. I had no choice but to go by road. I don't know, say no, but everybody where is inside Siena, where sit down, they travel. I just hear 2 chances remaining. I said, thank God, this is a quick fool. I follow driver sit down for front. Before I know, somebody say one go is himself. He no come back. Conductor bring Jenny person come. Say, oh, where that person we been there here now? They say no come out. Tell the guy sit down. No worry, make I go bring another person. I see come out. Another person won't come out. I hold his neck. He said, leave my neck. I said, where they go? He said, they pay me to sit down. Oh yeah, sit down now. We left Port Harcourt for Lagos at about 1 a.m. midnight. Lonely road. Driver begin to share every testimony give us. So this road will they pass now. The way then they kick people. I said that they kick people, what will they do for the road now? The next thing we hear, man, some was there for front. And some of the information when they share for airline is not necessary. I don't see any reason why I won't do like 30,000 feet. Now when somebody will come stand, they give us information. Please, in case of an emergency, there's an exit door there. To where? One old man was sitting down with me, they asked me, my pikin, where that door lead to? I said, okay, the person waiting to do on earth. You know, since why they fly plane, you get one particular place I never sit down before. Exit. One day I go sit down for there. I know the same way they don't give information, give everybody. You wait there for exit, they will come give you all specially. Where I sat down, the lady walked up to me and said, can I talk to you? I said, yes. Say, you're seated at the exit. That's how I know. He said, will you be willing to help others? I said, to where? He said, just in case of an emergency, pull the door, hold it this way, back on the... Okay, now me go hold it up. Who go there? I said, anybody want to run, come follow me, sit down for you. Poverty, bad though. The first time I fly plane from Port Harcourt to Lagos, that was way back 2018 when I won Best Comedian in Nigeria. The program was sponsored by Martina. Martina no ask us our problem. Martina go pay flight 95,000. How will you pay flight 95,000? How much will charter Sienna from Waterlines? I for charter 2, one go day front, I day back. When they begin to share things for plane, when they gave me my pack, I was disappointed when I opened it. I saw cream crackers, 15 naira, yogurt, 100 naira. For flight 95,000. You get one guy waiting up for my front. You go to the call button. Every small thing go press the thing, pim pim. Somebody walk out from the far distance of the plane, come meet him. Can I help you, sir? You go tell her your problem, you go offer, you go. I said to myself, this guy go Mr. Tire. I sing go, on 9 come meet me. Can I help you, sir? Now ask him, when I arrive in Lagos? He said, very soon. He offer. He go sit down, belt himself, on 9 come meet me. What is the problem, sir? Now ask him, is the pilot going with us? Of course, the pilot is going with us now. He offer. I said, today he go suffer. He never reach on 9 come meet me. Young man, please, what is the problem? Now ask him, are you going with us too? He said, of course, I'm going with you now. He offer. Before he reach on 9 come meet me, young man, please, what is the problem? Now ask him, are you angry with me? He said, I'm not angry with you. He offer. He come waka stand there, they look me, they look him. And they won't make it sit down. I say sit down on 9 come, young man, please, Please, what is the problem? Now, tell him, something is telling me you're angry with me. He said, I'm never angry with you. Now you come off and follow me, stand there. Now when they ask him, what is the problem? Oh boy, they talk and they hear, no fee, they go there, they come back, they go there, they come back. Do you know that when we got to Lagos, they locked me for Echo Hotel, pay 200,000 for a night. How will you pay hotel 200,000? Money you go give me, I look for church to do all night, follow them, pray, tomorrow morning and move. He pay hotel too. When they pay the money, I know if you sleep. Oh, I was thinking they pay for my family members. You see this thing where they tell say which they press first in a line, na poverty. If you sleep for hotel 200,000, even if which they exist, when which fly see where they sleep, now which go look your boy, they enjoy you. If you should make a follow you sleep, I beg. I came out from Echo Hotel. That was my first time to use lift. And they use the thing up, down, up, down. Best way follow me go up. I say they come down, see me inside. Now they ask me, come, you know they reach. I say I lodge here. To swim for Echo Hotel, 15,000. One guy go swim, you know, ask how much. As finished, now in title, I go meet the man. I'm done. They say now 15,000. It's my brother come. I not drink the water. They said that was his last card. He paid the money, go back inside swimming pool. As I'm talking to that guy, I've been swimming there for 2 weeks.
One man begin.
Hold it. Online, we they see a lot of things for we where they Port Harcourt. Edo is shining. Edo is shining. You get one particular man that they find where they always follow on a governor. I don't know what be that man problem. Person go whole phone. Now so the only governor where they enter got
Mighty.
hold on. Because I don't understand. The best state in Nigeria now is Abia State. For River State, we don't even know our problem. Because if not for anything, there is something I appreciate our former governor for, Wike. Wike is the only governor in Nigeria that employed 200,000 special advisors. You know, sir, be special advisor, I don't know. Now for WhatsApp group, now I see myself. Not only Wike go gather 200,000 special advisors, now he go they advise us. After the meeting, journalists go come, they ask us questions. Knowing fully well, say for the meeting, we know the hear what governor they talk. What you do the hear? We say yes, sir. Don't fly. Say yes, sir. Don't we say yes, sir. Everything, yes, sir.
I'm happy so.
Hold on. They'll come meet us for outside. So how did the meeting go? We say it went well. They'll come ask us, so what was the outcome? We say it was great. They'll come ask us questions we don't get answer. So what did the governor say? We say, well, he has said it all. Man, what would you say they talk where people know they hear? He dey inside plane they shake. One certain, I'm not gonna see the video. Plane they shake. Wicked they pray, would they hear them clearly? Plane they shake, would they hear wicked they pray? Oh God, help me! People they ask now, Peter B they pray, they say no. Oh God, help me! Out of fear, wicked no know when they mean they tell God, oh God, prove to me you are a man. Lot of things they happen for this country. Fake prophets, they their own, they do their own. I'm not gonna see that video of where fake prophet they use one woman and hand they grow. I'm not gonna see that video. You know this fake prophet, they get one pattern. When they come up, you go hear something like this. Riba da da da. Yabe de de de. They'll go ask one question. Should I preach or I should prophesy? Who will say prophesy? You're going to hear there is someone here. Whenever you close your left eye, you can see with your right eye. Run out now. So if I close left eye, now ear what you see before. And you know, say those people, they do RNG. They will just tell the man of God, say, get who they come. His name na Paul. In from Akwa Ibom. So when the pastor come up, he go hear something like this. Ribadabada. Man of God, thank you for bringing me to this program. When I was coming to this program, the Lord said I should cancel the spirit of death. I saw an accident and I saw a name, Paul. If your name is Paul, please run out now. You know, nothing like 10 Paul come church that day. 10 Paul go line up, he go look them low. This Paul I'm talking about is from Akwa Ibom. 5 go, he remain 5. Oh, low. In the context side, they find the person where they are two planner. But I don't know that they are two planner. He go say, wait for me. He go meet the person where they are two planner. He go, yeah, can I talk to you? He go say, yes. Where is your mom? She's at home. You need to pray for your mom. Because what I'm seeing, oh my God, it's not everything I can speak in public. Can I whisper to your ear? The guy go say, yes. He go in ear. I bet who be the reaper? He said, I don't want to wear black. Wait for me. The part what I like about them, now when they want to raise money, whenever they want to raise money, you go hear something like this. Normally, I don't do this. Normally, I don't do this. But Lord showed me 10 persons. You can give the Lord 1 million. Please run out now. Or shall look at them. If they are more than 10, send them back. You never see one. You know, big men on Asabi fear, 3 go come manage stand for here. He go come here. I didn't come here to raise money. I will just pray for this once. One time I was in Ghana. He never traveled before. He go come share one testimony, put fear. More 2 go come join. They will come day 5. You come, they shake them. Thank you for coming out. As you're coming with your seed tomorrow, as you're coming with your seed, there's something I'm going to tell you about. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for coming out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you for coming. Please, let's rise to our feet. I didn't come here to raise money. Rise to your feet. Rise to your feet. Oh my God. Someone is crying over there. Man of God, I don't have 1 million. I would have come out. What I have is 500,000. Still come. Who give 1 million? Go they regret this one enough for waste more. Billy, enjoy yourself. MC JP is my name.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The Very Good Bad Guys.